So today we're going to be taking a look at the RP-160M Klipcsh bookshelf speakers. So the most important thing about these speakers is how accurate they are. They're not going to produce any artificial bass or treble, so you're really going to get an authentic and exact feel for what the music should actually sound like. Now, aside from the amazing sound, this thing is also going to look really cool. It's very pleasing to the eye, and whether you go with the cherry or the ebony, it's just a cool looking speaker. Now, if we take a look at the back, you'll notice that there are actually two sets of speaker terminals, which is not common, but it's a super cool addition. Because if you're in audio production, you might find this very helpful in the fact that you can connect two speaker wires there and edit off your low frequencies and your high frequencies and get that really accurate sound. Now you could use these speakers for just about anything you want to put in your house. I recommend you could use them as like a left and right surround sound speaker, or make them into nice office speakers. And like I was saying with the audio production, you could also do studio monitors for editing that audio. So you really have a bunch of options with these. Something that I really liked about this speaker was the removable magnetic grill. And most people would think to just keep the grill on, but I thought it looked really cool without the grill. And I just thought that was cool to kind of have the two options as far as aesthetics go. Now, I was really blown away with the quality of sound because, to be honest, I was expecting it to perform probably a little bit better than a soundbar, but this thing performed way better than your typical soundbar. If you guys are interested in the other products shown in this video, stick around because I will be making a separate video for the subwoofer and the receiver, and those will be linked in the description. If you guys enjoyed the video and you want to stay updated on the latest and greatest tech, be sure to subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and as always, thanks for watching.